Hello, welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about asking correct questions to AI, specifically when setting up a computer. Now, we are going to talk about the introduction into AI, key principles, types of questions, and when to ask, common mistakes that we do when we are asking questions, and then finally we conclude. Now, what is AI? AI or artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines or computers, programmed to think, learn, and problem solve like actual human beings. Now, we have a lot of examples of AI available, but for the purpose of this video, we are going to focus on Microsoft Copilot, ChatGPT, Siri from Apple, and Alexa from Amazon. Asking the right questions when setting up a computer with AI assistance is very crucial because it ensures you get the accurate, relevant, and efficient guidance you need. Now, AI systems work best when they understand the specifics of your needs and a clear, well-phrased questions, help these AI tools to deliver the precise solutions that you are looking for. Now, these are some key principles that we need to focus on when we are asking questions or we are using AI to set up our new devices. Now, clarity and precision is on top of the list because you have to use a clear and direct language if you want the best response or the correct guidance you need. Now, you have to also avoid vague and overly broad questions like, why isn't my Wi-Fi working? Okay, AI might not know what your computer specifications are or what type of device you are using, right? So provide enough context for AI to generate a relative response. Now, example of this question is like, my Wi-Fi is not working, it's not connecting on my laptop, but other devices like my phone and tablet are working fine. I have already tried restarting the router. What else can I do? So now you have given the AI a prompt with certain things that you have done, okay, and what are the next step that you can do. Now, be specific and avoid double meanings. Okay. Example of a specific question is, how do I install printer driver on Windows 11? So you are giving the AI the prompt of what you want to do and on which device you want to do that on. Now, asking clear, specific questions with adequate context helps AI systems to generate better, more relevant answers. When you provide details like the problem you are solving, what you have tried, and your goals or constraints, the AI give you more targeted advice and solutions. Without context, AI can only offer like a generic one size fits all answer response that are often unhelpful. So if you want the best solution when setting up your computer and avoid frustrations, always aim to ask questions that give as much context as possible. Now, types of questions. What are some of the types of questions that we need to ask when we are setting up our computers or our new devices? Yeah. The first one is ask open-ended questions. Now, questions that invite detailed descriptive answers rather than just a simple yes or no response. Now, use these when you need guidance, explanation, or a step-by-step help from AI. So we ask open-ended questions when you want guidance or a step-by-step help from the AI. Okay. For example, how do I connect my new computer to a Wi-Fi network? So this is going to generate a step-by-step procedure for you to follow in order for you to connect your computer to the network or the Wi-Fi network. Now, close-ended questions. Questions that can be answered with a simple yes or no or a short factual response. Now, you have to use these questions when you need a quick confirmation or to check a specific detail. For example, is Windows 11 compatible with my computer's hardware? Okay, so you are asking if you can install Windows 11 on your computer based on the hardware that you have. Now, clarifying questions. Questions you ask questions you ask to make sure you and the AI understand each other. Okay, so in order for you to be on the same page with the AI that you are using, you have to ask clarifying questions. Okay, for example, when you say update drivers, do you mean manually or through Windows Update? Okay, or do I need to restart after installing that program? So for instance, you have a program that you want to install, or you want AI to help you to install, okay, and AI say, oh, install the program and restart. So you ask the questions to help you know what are the clear steps, or confirming what he's saying or the AI is saying. Now, hypothetical or scenario based. What if? Okay. Questions used to explore possibility situations or problems before they happen. Okay. So these are the questions that you use them in order for you to prepare for a potential setup issues or learn alternative methods. What should I do if my computer doesn't recognize my USB driver? So, for instance, you put a USB driver into your USB slot and it doesn't work. What or how do you go about it, right? Now, common mistakes that we do when we are asking questions, when we are being too vague, okay? When we provide or we ask broad questions, asking multiple questions at once, okay? Now, how do I install my printer and connect to the Wi-Fi? AI might provide you with one answer, or only an answer to tailored to, you know, installing a printer, right? Or connecting to the Wi-Fi, and leave the other one. Now, using ambiguous language or double meanings. My screen is not working. Okay, that is a mistake. Could mean black screen, distorted image, or even your monitor is turn on or won't turn on. Now, not providing context. How do I fix my Wi-Fi? AI doesn't know the specifications of your device. What operating system is your device running? Or what is the network setup like? Okay, but a better question could be, my MacBook Air cannot connect to my home Wi-Fi network, but my phone can. Okay, so this provides much more context than how do I fix my Wi-Fi. In conclusion, ask smart questions in order for you to get smart responses. Remember, asking the right type of question makes computer setup faster and easier. With clear questions, AI becomes more helpful guide every step of the way.